Hello students, welcome to Spectra Educational Academy. This video is prepared for the students who are preparing IP examinations 2021 going to be conducted from October 25th to November 3rd. For the students who belong to Telangana state. And this video contains important VSAQs. While preparing this particular list of important VSAQs, previous question papers from 2013 to 2019 also taken into considerations. Okay, let us start listing out the important VSAQs. From the first chapter, that is physical world, these are the questions. Let me read questions one by one. First question, what is physics? Second, what is the discovery of C.V. Raman? Third, what are the fundamental forces in nature? Fourth, what is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar to physics? So this question is highlighted with the red color. It means this is prepared from the content of the textbook. You don't find this question in the list at the back of the chapter. The question is, what is the Raman effect? Next, from the next chapter, that is units and measurements. So these are the questions prepared. First question is, how systematic errors be minimized or eliminated? Second question, distinguish between fundamental units and derived units. Third question, why do we have different units for the same physical quantity? Fourth, express unified atomic mass unit in kg. Fifth, distinguish between accuracy and precision. Sixth, a physical quantity x is related to four measurable quantities a comma b comma c and d as follows. X is equal to a square b cube c to the power of 5 by 2 and d square. The percentage error in the measurement of a comma b comma c and d are 1%, 2%, 3% and 4%. What is the percentage error in x? Question number 7. The error in measurement of radius of a sphere is 1%. What is the error in the measurement of its volume? 8th. The percentage error in the mass and velocity are 2% and 3% respectively. What is the maximum error in the kinetic energy calculated using three quantities? 9th. What are the significant numbers? Write the number of significant digits in the measurement of 0.002308. From the next chapter in the list, it is motion in plane. Question number 1. The vertical component of a vector is equal to its horizontal component. What is the angle made by the vector with x-axis? Second, two forces of magnitudes 3 units and 5 units act at 60 degrees with each other. What is the magnitude of their resultant? Question number 3. This question you will find in the same chapter from the short answers list, but it is given in VSAQs. If mod of a plus b is equal to mod of a minus b, what is the angle between a and b? Question number 4. A is equal to I cap plus j cap. What is the angle between the vector with x-axis? Question number 5. When two right-angled vectors of magnitude 7 units and 24 units combine, what is the magnitude of their resultant? Question number 6. If P is equal to 2i plus 4j plus 14k and Q is equal to 4i plus 4j plus 10k, find the magnitude of P plus Q. 7. This is a numerical. Rain falling vertically with the speed of 35 meters per second. A woman rides a bicycle with speed of 12 meters per second in east to west direction. What is the direction in which should she should hold her umbrella? Question number 8. What is the acceleration of a projectile at the top of the trajectory? Question number 9 is also taken from SAQ list, but it is given in the VSAQs. Write the equation for the horizontal range covered by a projectile and specify when it will be maximum. Then, from the chapter Newton laws of motion. First question, what is inertia? What gives the measure of inertia? So once again, same number has been given. Okay, nothing to worry. The next question, when a bullet fired from a gun, the gun gives a kick in the backward direction. Explain. Question number 2. Why does a heavy rifle not recoil as strongly as a light rifle using the same cartridges? Question number 3. If a bomb at rest explodes into 2 pieces, the pieces must travel in opposite directions. Explain. Question number 4. A batsman hits back a ball straight in the direction of a bowler without changing its initial speed of 12 meters per second. If the mass of the ball is 0.15 kg, determine the impulse imparted to the ball. Assume that the linear motion of the ball. Question number 5. Define force. What are the basic forces in nature? Question number 6. Calculate the time period for a net force of 5 newtons to change the velocity of 10 kg mass by 2 meters per second. Question number 7. Why does the car with flattened tires stop sooner than the one with inflated tires? Question number 8. A horse has to pull harder during the start of the motion with later. Explain. Question number 9. What happens to coefficient of friction if weight of the body is doubled? Question number 10. Can the coefficient of friction be greater than 1? So next chapter is mechanical properties of fluids. Question number 1. Mention any 2 applications of Bernoulli's theorem. Next question. What is the principle behind the carburetor of an automobile? Question number 2. What is Magnus effect? 3. Why drops and bubbles are spherical? 4. Give the expression for the excess pressure in a liquid drop. Similarly, give the expression for excess pressure in an air bubble inside the liquid. I hope these 2 questions are same. Next question number 6. Give the expression for excess pressure in soap bubble in air. 7. Find the excess pressure inside a soap bubble of radius 5 millimeters. So this question is prepared keeping the formula in mind. Question number 6. The surface tension is mentioned as 0.04 Newton meter inverse. Question number 8. What are waterproofing agents and water wetting agents? What do they do? 9. What is angle of contact? Question number 10. This question is also prepared from the content. Why water droplets wet the glass surface and do not wet lotus leaf? 11. Define coefficient of viscosity. What are its units? 12. When water flows through a pipe, which of the layers move fastest and slowest? Next chapter, that is thermal properties of matter. Distinguish between heat and temperature. Second, what are the lower and upper fixing points in Celsius and Fahrenheit scales? 3. Why is it easier to perform the skating on the slope? Even this question is also prepared from the content. Can a substance, next question, can a substance contract on heating? Give an example. 5. Why gaps are left between rails on a railway track? 6. Why do liquids have no linear and aerial expansions? 7. Define latent heat, write its units. 8th. What is latent heat of fusion? 9th. What is latent heat of vaporization? 10th. Why utensils are coated black? Why the bottom of utensils is made copper? 11. State Wien's displacement law. 12. So this is a question prepared based on Wien's displacement law only. If the maximum intensity of radiation for a black body is found at 1.45 micrometer, what is the temperature of radiating body? To mention that Wien's constant as 2.9 into 10 to the power of -3 meter Kelvin. 13. Ventilators are provided in rooms just below the roof. Why? 14. Does a body radiate heat at 0 Kelvin? Does it radiate heat at 0 degree centigrade? 15. The roof of a building is often painted white during summer. Why? 16. What is greenhouse effect? Explain global warming. 17. State the conditions under which Newton's law of cooling is applicable. And from the last chapter, that is kinetic theory of gases, the first question is define mean free path. Second, when does a real gas behaves like an ideal gas? Third, state Boyle's law and Charles' law. Fourth, state Dalton's law of partial pressures. Fifth, the absolute temperature of a gas is increased 3 times. What will be the increase in RMS velocity of the gas molecule? Sixth, 4 molecules of a gas have speeds 1, 2, 3, 4 meter per second. Find RMS speed of the gas molecule. So even this question is also taken from SAQ's category from the same chapter, but it is given in VSAQs. Seventh, what is the law of equipartition energy? So students, these are the important VSAQs. If you learn answers of these questions, I'm sure that you will get very good marks in coming IPE board exams going to be held October 25th to November 3rd. Thank you very much. And don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. And in the next class, if possible, I'll continue with the answers of these questions. Thank you very much.